Hey there, Bianca with Maritz here. I'm reporting in live on the scene here to tell you all you need to know about lead generation. Let's get into it. If you're a new exhibitor or if it's been a while, let's talk about bringing in more customers and potential sales. Picture this. You're owning that lead retrieval app, you're scanning 20 people in an hour, you're on a roll. That's a win, right? Well, not necessarily. If you scan a person's badge and they're not into your products or services, that's not a quality lead. That person isn't likely to respond to you after the show, diluting your prospects. What you want are quality leads. The time to qualify them is while you are on the show floor and in conversation. The main takeaway is, it's important to take the time to listen and gather more info on who your lead is and what their needs or interests are at that moment. You sell the latest gadget on the market and they're tech enthusiasts, that's a quality lead. Now let's talk about how to capture those leads on the app. The lead retrieval app allows you to rate your lead and help the sales team follow up post-event. This can be a simple 1 to 5 rating, with 5 being a hot lead, meaning attendees are ready to purchase your product. Capture your conversation highlights in the notes feature. Be sure to record any info that they share that might help convert them to a sale. This could be a pain point they reference that your product can solve, or a goal they are working on that you can help them with. Establish a follow-up time frame with the potential lead to set expectations of when you will connect again. If they mention that they are going to be traveling to Asia for a few weeks next month, record those dates so you can follow up with them when they return, and ask them about the trip. Never miss an opportunity to follow up after an amazing conversation. There's nothing better than being heard and having someone follow up with you about what you said. With the lead retrieval app, you will have their contact information, so you won't have to wait for them to reach out. You can take the next step of building a relationship and keeping the convo alive. Communication is key. Find ways to be in touch months after the event. Your goal should be to establish yourself as an expert in what a person needs and what you can offer them. You do this by taking notes on your convo and following up. Be sure to share wins and losses with your team, and your supervisor will be impressed with you taking the lead. Quality leads translate to better conversion, stronger sales, and more happiness all around. Our invaluable lead retrieval app allows you to focus on making a strong impression with people you meet on the show floor. This tech-forward tool ensures their info is captured in the portal, versus the inefficiency of trying to write down notes and contact info while giving someone your full attention. Don't forget to check out our other tips on how to optimize the app.